Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money from bank account to Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance and click deposit. There are two options to receive. First, consider a crypto deposit. We enter your currency and check if you can deposit directly from the card. In some countries this is not possible. For example, we enter euros and see that we can continue and deposit from a bank card. Click continue and get fired. But for example, you will not be able to deposit the Brazilian real, so check it out. Now let's consider the first option of P2P trading. Choose it. We get to a page where you can use a bank transfer to buy, for example, USDT from a real seller. To begin with, we read it terms below, and if everything suits us, then click the enter the amount and fiat or in USDT. This page also shows seller reviews and the percentage of completed transactions. Choose those with more than 90%. Then click buy USDT and transfer the money to the merchant's card. After checking it, he will send you USDT to your wallet. In this way you can also buy Bitcoin, for example, select it and look at the offers. If they do not suit you, then deposit the USDT and then buy Bitcoin. And if, for example, you already have cryptocurrency on other wallets, then you can click deposit, then deposit crypto and select a coin to receive. Copy the address and use it to get cryptocurrency. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.